Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to fill color. So if you want to fill color in Clip Studio Pen, we can use the fill tools. For example, I will draw a rectangle in here. I will set the color to black in this point. The next, if you want to fill the rectangles, you can click these icons, fill, and you can select for the color. Like I will use the blue color. You can click inside the rectangle to fill the rectangle object with blue color. I will fill again in red color and click at inside this rectangle. So that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to fill color.